Hello friends, so last time we saw the practicals of set operations. Today we are going to discuss about how to handle strings in R using a dedicated string R package. There are many basic and advanced functions available with the string R package, but we are going to study only some basic functions, as studying and understanding the advanced functions of string R package would be out of the scope of this current course. So we'll see only those functions which we have already seen in the base packages available with us. So first check whether string R package is available or not in your R system. If not, install it by install.packages and mentioning the name string R into the parentheses. You will be able to download the package and then load the package by the function library string R. So what are the different functions that we are going to study in this package? There are 7 functions available for this current package, for this current course. The very first function, string_c, which is used for string concatenation, which is same as the paste function that we had seen earlier in the starting of the chapter. Second is string length, which is used to calculate the number of characters in a string, which is similar to nchar. Then the next function is string_sub, which is similar to substring that we have studied earlier. This is also used to extract or retrieve some of the characters of a string, or if we want to replace them with another string. So these are the 3 main functions that we had already seen in the starting of the chapter, which were also available in the base package. What are the other functions in this package? We will see them. String_dup, that is duplicate string. This does not remove the duplicated strings, but it will duplicate the string itself. For example, if I have a character vector, say ABC, and if I want to duplicate it by, let's say 3 times, then it will write ABC 3 times. So every character, every letter A, B and C will be repeated 3 times. So this is how this function works. We will also see practically how this function works. Then we have a function string_trim, str_trim. It is used to remove the white spaces in the starting or in the ending of a string character. Sometimes when you get data from the internet or from some website, then you can see there are some white spaces in the starting or the ending of the character. If you want to remove them, this is a function that you look for. The next function is string pad. So what this function does, it pads something. It pads some characters in the front or then the last of the string. How do you do that? We'll look practically, but what's the use? So when you have many elements in a character vector, if you want to make them of equal length, then you use string pad. You can add a hyphen, you can add white space, you can add a hashtag or any other character in front or in the last of the string character, so that it becomes of a equal length. The last function is string wrap. So what is this function used for? If you have a long character string or in the form of paragraph, and if you want to indent them, if you want to convert them into several lines, string wrap is a function you look for. So these are some of the functions we will be looking in string R package. Some we have already covered initially, but they were in the base package, and some which are available exclusively in this package. So this was all about theory part of string R package, and now we are going to see the practicals of string handling using string R package.